Hello children, today we are going to learn the remaining topics in agriculture. Major crops. A large variety of crops are grown to meet the needs of the growing population. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Main fiber crops are jute and cotton. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. Many crops supply raw materials for agro-based industries. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity, and rainfall. It grows best in alluvial clay soil, which can retain water. China leads in the production of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka, and Egypt. Wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter. Millets. Millets are known as a coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Johar, bajra and ragi are grown in India, Nigeria and China. Maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soils. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days, and bright sunshine for its growth. It grows best on black and alluvial soils. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, and Egypt are the leading producers of cotton. It is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industry. Jute. Jute was also known as golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Coffee. Coffee requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for the growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. Tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. This requires cool climate and well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. It needs well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. Labor in large area is required to pick the leaves. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. Agriculture development. Efforts are constantly being made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population, increasing agricultural production, increasing area under cultivation, increase the number of crops grown in a year, improving irrigation facilities in order to increase yield per acre, use of fertilizers to increase yield, use high yielding variety of seeds, use machinery in cultivation. The main aim of agriculture development is to provide food security for the growing world population. Agriculture has developed world over. The development varies from place to place. Farming in India. Landholding is small due to the inheritance of law. The production of food is the top priority. The area under fodder crops is almost significant. Most of the farm work as plowing, irrigation, etc. are done by animals and a member of the farmer's family. Farming in USA. Large size farmland. The farmers resides in the farm. Adequate measures are taken to control pests that can damage the crop. The farmer's computer is linked to the satellite, which gives him a precise picture of his field. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or dispatched to the market agencies. Questions for this session. First question, write about any three major crops grown in India. Second, list down the efforts being made to increase the farm production. Third, difference between farming in India and USA. This question you have to refer page number 46 and 49 in the content book. Thank you, children.